Hi guys. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use your smartphone as a gaming wheel. So please watch and follow these steps to get the best simulation of racing games. Here we go. Open your favorite browser. Search Touch Racer. And open the official link. Download the Windows client. Windows anti-malware service may ask you to not install the app. This usually happens because this app usually can access your drives to sync into your game and starts up with the game launcher. So Windows anti-malware services asks you to do so. Don't worry, as there is option to install it by clicking on these specific options. You need net to disable your antivirus. You must install the Android client on your phone, as I am doing on my phone screen. Now, the most important part. Make sure that your computer and mobile are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Here we go. You can see that my phone is being detected. Now let's see a gameplay with this wireless steering wheel.